Do you want to become an Azure Data Engineer? To build your beautiful career, to level up with salaries ranging up to 50 LPA? And yes, you are at the right place. This is the only Azure Data Engineering course you really need right now at this moment. In this complete course, I'm going to teach you everything from SQL to queries, query tuning, to data factory, data lake, Databricks, Synapse analytics, Microsoft Fabric integrations, migrations, and most importantly, we are going to build 3 real-time projects for your resume and for your job ready activities. Whether you are a student, a working professional, a database administrator, data analyst, or ETL developer, or a career switcher, this course is designed absolutely for you. Become a true, secured Azure Data Engineer with hands-on training from my classes with real-time projects. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. Over 2 decades of love and dedication exclusively on database stack. I am here to provide you complete hands-on approach to every aspect of real-world data engineering activities with all my experience since my first job at Microsoft BGIT project. I worked with various organizations including Microsoft, Deloitte, Infosys, and many other Fortune 500 companies. With all knowledge that I gained all these years, I wish you all the very best for my complete and easy to understand cautious learning program. I'm here to teach you the things in a simple way, easier way, at the same time completely into practice zone. So I request you to practice on time for my complete activities from day one. In data engineering course, we need to learn how to read data from various sources. With key skills Spark, Python, PySpark, Data Factory, and Databricks. These 5 key skills are very important to get complete grip on the subject. I teach you how to build data pipelines. I teach you how to work with data lake storage, big data processing, and event ingestion activities, including event hubs, IoT hubs, data stack activities. Come on, this is a high time. This is a high time. And to become a complete secure data engineer, I divided the entire course into multiple modules. Module 1, Microsoft SQL queries and query tuning concepts. Then I'll teach you practically module 2, complete Azure Data Engineering stack with ADF, Azure Data Factory, Databricks, Azure Databricks are open source Databricks, PySpark, Python ETL, and Fabric integrations. Module 3, I teach you Power BI and connecting from various Azure sources for big data analytics. Module 4 is what you really need. Real-time projects with complete pinpoint executable solutions, certification guidance from me, mock certifications, concept-wise FAQs, project FAQs. What if your interviewer asks you to explain your previous project or to show the GitHub URL and ask you to explain the project in the face-to-face interview? These are the main activities you need, and I am here to provide you the complete stuff for your job work. To work on the activities at the job desk, to walk into your interview room confidently, very confidently. Yes, we need to have full stack data engineering activity that I designed for your success. I have total 3 plans for data engineering you see on my screen. If someone is already aware of Microsoft SQL, they can directly step into data engineering, that is plan A, 7 weeks course. If someone wanted to revisit or learn, revise or learn Microsoft SQL, also go for plan B. Microsoft SQL plus Azure Data Engineering complete stack, that is 10 weeks program. If someone wanted to go for Microsoft SQL plus Azure Data Engineering plus end-to-end Power BI activities, complete end-to-end stack, then plan C is best. I love plan C because it has complete end-to-end activities, right from birthplace of data to visualizations and dashboards. Two real-time projects by default for everyone. But for participants who have more experience, have one extra project, a bonus project for them. Trust me, the projects are real time. You will work on them if you have time. If not, I will provide the complete solution with entire explanation for the project and project FAQs also for your confident interview preparation. To face your interview correctly, eye to eye contact when explaining the project is what you really need. That confidence I can provide you with my complete classes and structured course curriculum. I also prepare you for DP 750 exam, which is nowadays a must for every data engineer. I in fact prepare you for one additional certification called Databricks Data Engineer Associate exam. Everything within this course, yes, you are at the right place. You get the complete meal with one single registration. The kind of projects we have and the kind of activities we do in each project are unmatched. With all my experience as a professional as well as a trainer for all these years, I provide you utmost cautious, careful service on the projects. What more you need? I am here to explain you top Azure Data Engineer interview questions, scenario-based questions, ADF interview questions, Databricks interview questions, PySpark interview questions, Azure SQL questions, complete answers, and in fact, Synapse interview questions and answers also. No stone unturned. And one more important thing, real-time project scenarios with complete explanations. Let's meet for a live demo class. Let's understand more about this course. Let's understand what exactly we need to do to become a data engineer. Let's understand where to start with to become a true data engineer. And let's understand how to start. We'll take it slowly, step by step. Let's sign up. Please sign up for a live demo class. Do reach us today, either live online training or self-paced videos. You can opt for any of these modes of learning, and I am here the caretaker for the entire course. I will be the trainer for the entire course, and I am always there to support you guys. See you soon in my actual classes. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.